Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an extreme cleaning. If you are in need of some cleaning motivation or you want to feel better about your home, then stick around and keep watching.
Okay, so this is the basement. This is where all of our junk is. The kids play down here. We have several boxes that we have not unpacked, which works out because we're moving in 3 weeks. This is trash. We're giving this away. We're giving that mattress away. That is also trash. This we're giving away, and I think that's it. So my son and I are going to clean this as best as we can. So I hope you guys are wanting some cleaning motivation because here it comes.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays. But I'm gonna hold it together, this ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
Okay, so I just wanted to chime in really quick and let you guys know that by the time you're watching this video, we have already moved and we are settled in our new home. I've actually already recorded 2 cleaning videos since living in this home. I just haven't posted them yet. This was the last cleaning video that I ever recorded in this house. I never recorded it being empty, and I did not record myself cleaning it for the very last time, like the entire house. I did not record that, so I do apologize to you guys if you guys were looking forward to that. Also, I did want to let you know that this room was always such a disaster because this was where my kids went down to play almost every day, and I never checked to make sure that they cleaned it because it was in the basement and nobody ever went down there except for kids. So it didn't bother me that this room stayed pretty much a mess the entire time. And I knew that whenever we moved into this house that we were going to be moving very quickly after that. So that's why we had so many boxes still just stacked up on that back wall. So I just wanted to let you guys know that little bit of information, and I hope that this has given you some cleaning motivation so far, or some decluttering, or maybe it just has helped you to feel better about your own home.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was
All right, y'all, that is all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation. I know that this area does not look 100% perfect, but it does look 100% better to me. And we did get it ready to be able to move a lot easier. We were able to move successfully. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you like cleaning motivation and you would like to see more videos, not necessarily like this, but if you would like more cleaning and decluttering videos, then definitely subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teens.